on, guys? I just wrapped up the day. I went to a bunch of garage sales, estate sales, and today, the one day I chose to not film because I was like striking out at everywhere I went. I struck out at that liquidation store. I've been striking out on regular yard sales and thrift stores. I was like, I'm not gonna focus on filming today. I'm just gonna go out there, take it slow, take risks, just buy stuff I have a hunch on and a gut feeling. And that's what I did today. I don't know what I picked up. I don't know why I picked any of this up. All of the stuff I picked up today I have not even touched before. I'm going to show you guys what that was, how much I paid for everything. And then, yeah, I got to get some stuff listed. We're going to go ahead and go to the storage unit because I'm going to put all that in there. But yeah, it's definitely going to be kind of a weird stuff that I got. But you guys let me know if I got a good deal on this stuff. But yeah, let's just hop into where we're going next. Alright guys, we're at the storage unit and it's like hella packed in front, so I'll probably come by later and get all this stuff listed, but I do want to show you guys exactly what I got, and show you the prices on them. And yeah, like I said, it's super packed up in the front right there. So we're gonna wait till a little later. It's like moving trucks on this side, on that side. It's all a cluster. But let me just show you guys what I got. Alright, so starting off, I picked up this like Batman, like it opens up. It's like a playhouse or like a play set or something. I picked it up. She wanted $5 for it, and this whole box, as you can see, what else I got. Picked up these, what are these? Paw Patrols. A bunch of these Paw Patrols, and she wanted she wanted 45 for the Paw Patrols, and then 5 for this castle. But somehow I got her down to 40 for everything. So this whole box, guys, I've never even picked up Paw Patrol stuff. But she said she spent over originally $400 on this stuff. So I mean, she says they're super expensive, and I know Paw Patrol is somewhat valuable, so I picked up a bunch of them. Like I said, these, I don't know what their value is individually. I'm gonna have to go through them all, but I saw lots. Here's a sold comp right here of a lot of them. I know they sell for good money, about $70 free with shipping, plus shipping. I also picked up, there was this garage sale that I wasn't gonna stop at. But good thing I did. She said take everything, it's free, and she had more stuff I didn't really want. She had a bunch of DVDs and stuff, but I picked up a box of these plushes. I don't know what's gonna sell or what's not. I just have to go through them, but I mean, free, that's free money. I know that My Little Pony is gonna do well, but it's got random, I have no idea. I'm gonna have to go through these and just research them because I have no idea what they are, if they're even valuable. I picked up this art, it's mural stand. It's used, probably gonna have to throw that out. This is personal use, Fast and Furious, one of my favorite Fast and Furious ones. I picked up this Pumbaa, Lion King Disney. I haven't looked that up either. A chip bowl, don't know that either. All this stuff was free. I got Clue, the mystery game, it was $2. There's another game, Apples to Apples. She left me some candy. And then I picked up these Polaroid cameras that I haven't looked these up. Like I said, she said take everything on that table, it's free. So I got this Polaroid. Don't know what it's worth. And then there's another one in here. And like I said, I haven't looked any of these up, so I'm gonna have to. I looked them up already. Obviously, I've edited this video, but there's sold comps on the blue one, and then there's the sold comp on this black one. They seem to be sort of the same, so who knows what they're worth, if they're worth anything. Alright, so last things I picked these up yesterday at the thrift store, but it's this super vintage Kennedy Space Center shirt. Even the tag says Kennedy Space Center, if you guys can see that. Let me focus on there. There's Kennedy Space Center on there. It's super vintage, single stitch. I don't know exactly what it'll worth, but Kennedy Space Center, luckily I live in Florida, so this has somewhat of relativity. But it's got these nice stitch, it's got the 2 shirt thing, it's super nice, super vintage. That was $3, I believe. There's $3. And then I've sold this before in the past. It's actually $7.99, but I know I can get around $30-$40 for this. It's a lino train clock. Here's so it comes on that. I think it's like $30. But it's, I would show you what it's got with the manual, and it's like the box, it's like brand new. So that's all I got yesterday. Nice shirt. That's all the stuff that I picked up today in that thrift store yesterday. Just the shirt and the train clock. But yeah, a bunch of toys that I don't even know. I've heard of Paw Patrol, and like I saw a bunch of Thomas the Trains today actually, but they were like overpricing them like $10, and I was trying to get them for like $1. I even possibly overpaid for this Paw Patrol stuff, but I know I'm at least gonna get my money back and at least like $20-$25 worth of profit, hopefully. So yeah, like I said, there's a bunch of people. There's like moving U-Hauls and like a bunch of stuff. So I'm gonna just come by later. I still need to research this stuff. So yeah, let's just move to the part of the video where I show you how much everything is worth and how much I'm gonna get for all of this. Guys, it's just a few days later, and I just wanted to go back over what exactly I spent and what the potential profit is on everything I got. All right, so total for that day, I spent $51, and potential profits are looking at about $270. So obviously not a bad day whatsoever. I haven't listed all of the plushes yet. I have them all pictured. I got them all on my phone. But I still haven't posted everything. I only posted a couple, but I've already sold one. It's just like this, I think it was a narwhal or a manatee or something. Like, yeah, I sold it for $30. So already out to a good start on the plushes. So if you guys see like, if you see any plushes around that are free or really low price, just look them up. I wouldn't say buy every single one. There's a lot of duds in the box that I got, but they were all free, so it was definitely a worthwhile gamble. Of course, profits are looking at about $270. I'll update you guys with another what sold video here coming soon. But that's gonna wrap up this video, guys. I'm gonna leave you with some montage of me shipping and packing some stuff. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and as always, I will see you on the next one.
Made some mistakes that I regret, but I can't lay in it. Haven't felt like myself, but I can't stay in this. I can't get stuck on my thoughts, they get aimless. That's really what the pain is, can't stay to entertain it. I always hear one thing, I see another. Many move selfish, ain't right for each other. Who's gonna stay down for me, except for my brothers? Someone talk sweet, it's the gang who gon' run up. In the beam with my wall, that turbo got a twin. All these fakes, all these ops tryna prop as a friend. It is what it is, yeah. X-ray through the shit, through the lies, through the fibs. I ain't fucking with these kids. If I'm in it, I'm winning. No one need to finish, get it once, get it again. It is what it is, yeah. Pray for the Prezi on my wrist. Time ticking, we on 10. We gon' run it till we sick. Patience on Death Valley, that shit be drying up. Distract myself with all these women, hoes be lining up. I ain't romantic, I'm real, so they won't love me. I just can't trust that this shit gon' stay lovely. That shit always go ugly. I don't wanna deal with that. I'ma go break the bank, turn around and make it back. Yeah, it's been a problem and I know it's ill. Outfit finna run you bill. Backwoods full of plague kill. Eating good, but I'm hungry still. In the beam with my woe, that turbo got a twin. All these fakes, all these ops tryna prop as a friend. It is what it is, yeah. X-ray through the shit, through the lies, through the fibs. I ain't fucking with these kids. If I'm in it, I'm winning. No one need to finish, get it once, get it again.